Hello! I hope you're well and staying safe and being out of trouble and not contracting COVID-19 like I have and losing all sense of smell and instead of losing all your taste, all I've lost is the sweet part of the taste spectrum. So anything sweet I can't taste. So if I eat ketchup, it just tastes like vinegar and toothpaste tastes like beefy burnt metal, which is not good. I hope it comes back. I'm through the worst of it, and hopefully we'll be better soon. But yeah, you don't want to catch it. Put it that way. This recipe is for a combination of two family keema recipes. My father-in-law Sagir and my cousin-in-law Ridger. My father-in-law used lamb mince and black cardamom, which is a sort of, I'll pretend to smell it. It's smoky and leathery and accentuates meats like mutton and goat and lamb. So that's why he used black cardamom, and it really does bring out that sort of taste and give it a real good sort of keema traditional characteristic taste. Not that I would know at the moment, but if you would like me to make ridges in the future, she uses a combination of cream and yogurt at the end to really sort of balance all the flavors out and make it really rich and a beautiful sauce, a really soft. But this is more meaty, and this is the recipe I'm going to give you. So this is sort of my variation on our family keema recipes. Good luck. Okay, so keema recipe, black cardamom. First I'm going to put in, and we're going to heat these spices up and then grind them. So you just add these ingredients and just gently heat the pan until you get a little whiff of the spices. Usually takes about 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and then just take them out. And I put them in the grinder, but just after I've let them cool for a little while. So all these little things, give it a bit of a sniff. Yeah. Put it in the grinder and grind that and set it aside for right near the end. Okay. So now a bit of oil, grate in a medium-sized white onion or brown onion, and the pan's on a medium heat, and just get it caramelized in there nicely. Then we add our whole spices, cumin seeds, like a teaspoon of actually black cumin seeds, and a black cardamom, a bay leaf. Give it a stir so they don't burn. Add some salt. That'll start breaking down the onion nicely, and then you can start adding your minced lamb. If you want, put beef in, you can. Beef keema is totally a thing, as is chicken, and you could even try turkey mince if you dare, but the black cardamom wouldn't go particularly well with turkey mince, chicken, or possibly even beef. Black cardamom accentuates the earthy flavour of lamb, yeah? It's sort of on the goat end of the flavour spectrum, isn't it, lamb? The goat end. Whatever that even means. So add a core out a beef tomato and pop that on the top of the meat and fry it in, as with 3 pureed Kashmiri chillis, a tablespoon of tomato puree, and just heat all that in. And basically what you're doing is you're heating that tomato because you've cored it out. The skin will start to split and remove itself. After 7 minutes, take the lid off and you can just peel off the skin with a fork. Yeah? Peel off the skin. Yeah, so it just comes off nice and easy. That's a beef tomato. You can use 3 vine tomatoes, but one beef is fine. And then take that off, and then just crush that tomato down nicely with a fork. Yeah, there you go. No need to puree. The seeds are fine, the skin's not, so endeavour to take the skin off, and that is definitely the easiest way of doing it. So add your ginger garlic puree on loads of my other recipes if you want to know, but you basically just blitz ginger and garlic and a bit of water and make it into a puree, fry it in. Bags of flavour in that, of course. That's like super depth now. That garlic and ginger just adds so much flavour, and just fry that in and then let it simmer for a couple of minutes before we add our powdered spices. So we're going to add our dry spices now. Turmeric. All that ground stuff from the start. Yeah. My Guram Masala, and then water. And the water will infuse the spices into the meat and then reduce. So, yeah, it sort of cascades all the flavours out and then reduces them back into the meat. Fantastic. So just let that simmer now until you feel it's the right consistency. Always check for seasoning, of course. Add some finely sliced ginger, julienned ginger. Stir it in, let it simmer. 10 minutes. You can either add a little bit more water like I did there, because I liked it to be saucy. Yeah. So reduce that a little bit more, get it to the right consistency, and add some peas. I didn't have any fresh peas. Tesco didn't have any, so I had a bag of frozen peas. It's all the ice that went in with it as well. Cook it until it starts to thaw and take on a bit of colour, and then just dish it up. And hey presto, you've got an absolutely fantastic traditional family keema. Combination of 2 recipes, my father-in-law's and my cousin's, and honestly, it's absolutely beautiful. It's not something I would normally order in a restaurant, keema, as I wouldn't dal, but oh my god, it's worth doing if you can do it on your own, because it's got crazy amounts of flavour and it's beautiful. So you'll taste that black cardamom as well, that sort of smoky, earthy taste. It's fantastic. Bit more ginger on top, bit of coriander, and put a lid on it. Go and sell it to someone, tenner in the street. Yeah, do you want this, mate, for a tenner? And there you go, how easy was that? Please like and subscribe to my channel, I'll make more videos. Please stay safe and don't get COVID like I've got. Bye.